Hi everyone, this is Zahra from Moodle MOOC 12. I'm going to explain a little bit about these items above the area on which you type your message in the Moodle, in different places in Moodle, like forums and other places. We call it Rich Editor, and now let's explore it. First of all, let's come to this toolbar toggle. By clicking on this part, different items come, the different items appear in front of you, and we can choose one of them based on what we need. For instance, we've got different paragraphing styles. We can organize our texts based on this. We can do different let's write explore Rich Editor to see what we can do with these items on the toolbar. We can make them bold, italicize the text, make it as a bulleted text, and also a numbered text. And also we can activate a link on this part. If we want to add a link, we cannot simply write it or type it or copy paste it. We need to activate it. For instance, if I've got a URL, for instance, I want to copy one of these URLs. Let's paste it here and insert it. So each time I click on these words, it leads me to that picture. And also, we can add some pictures. Let's add the same URL, insert it to see how the picture appears here. Now the picture is not completely seen here, but after we finish our message and post it to forum, we can see the picture as well. We can add emoticons to make our messages more interesting and attractive. We also can add videos and files. We can undo and redo the text, underline, cross it, subscript, superscript the text. Also, we can change different alignments, and one of the interesting parts is the color of the text and color of the background. For instance, let's write Moodle MOOC 12. Okay. We can change the color of the texts first. We can also change the background color. As you see here, we've got different background colors and text colors. We've got different directions and alignments, left to right and right to left direction of typing. We can insert different symbols. We can insert table, for example, a table, 2 columns and 2 rows. Let's insert it here. We can write something in them. Okay, and then we can use this. Let's use this recording. We can record MP3 voice through Moodle on Moodle, I guess. Let's start recording. Hello, this is Zahra. I'm trying to record my voice on the Moodle. Then I stop it, and then I can insert the voice to the message. I think it's taking long. It might be because of my connection or any other problem. The voice, the recorder, the player will appear. Yes, I should do this one, upload it. Now it's uploading on the message. Uploaded successfully. Now I should insert it. Okay, I just forgot to upload it. Now let's see what else we can do. We can even take videos, photos, draw a picture. Let's draw a picture. A very simple thing, just to try the item uploaded successfully, so now we can insert it. Okay. I'm not really feeling comfortable with these numbered items. We need to find somewhere to undo it and make it to a plain text. Okay, let's try the other items. For example, we can make changes in the font families and font sizes. We can also use and edit HTML sources. We can use different parts. But what is important to know is that on this part of the on this type and format of the preference, we cannot paste something. For example, if I want to let's say copy this part and paste it here, you see currently not supported by your browser. Use keyboard shortcuts instead. Okay, if I want to paste something, I need to use this part, the window for pasting. I can paste my text here, insert it. Okay, it's here. Oops. There are a lot of things here, and sometimes it makes it difficult for me to find them. We can also use this toggle for full screen mode and use and insert different math equation and different types of math equation. Well, as you realize, there are a lot that we can do with this rich editor, and I'm sure you can find many other functions and introduce to us. Thank you so much for your attention. Have a nice time.